In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the header colors in Squarespace. First, head over to the Squarespace website. If you're not already signed in, you may be prompted to log in. Once you're in, look to the top right corner and click your profile icon. From there, choose Account Dashboard. This dashboard is where all your sites live, so find the site where you want to update the header color. Select that site and click to open it. Inside the site overview, click Edit Site to move into the site editor. If you see another edit button when the site preview loads, click that as well to enter the page editing view. You'll know you're in the right place when your live preview is in the center and editing options appear as you hover over different areas. Now move your mouse over the header area. This is typically where your logo and main navigation sit, and click Edit Site Header. This opens a focused set of options just for your header. Next, click Edit Design. A design panel will pop up, giving you controls specific to how your header looks and behaves. In that panel, choose Color. This is where you control the overall color treatment of your header. Click the drop-down to reveal your available options. Depending on your site's template and color system, you'll see presets tied to your brand palette, often labeled something like light, dark, or named styles you've set up. Open the list and browse through the choices to see instant previews right on your site. When you're ready, pick a new color or color theme for your header. As you click different options, watch the preview carefully to confirm that your logo, navigation links, and any icons still have enough contrast to be readable. A helpful tip here: if your logo is dark, a lighter header background usually works best, and vice versa. If your brand palette is already configured in Squarespace, sticking to those presets keeps your design consistent across pages. If you prefer a more custom look, use the available controls to fine-tune the exact shade that fits your brand. Take a moment to glance at a couple of pages in the preview to ensure the new header color looks good against different backgrounds or sections on your site. Some pages may use alternate header styles depending on the section color, so it's worth a quick check. That's it. By navigating to your account dashboard, opening your site, entering the editor, focusing on the header, and updating the color setting in Edit Design, you've successfully changed your Squarespace header color. Enjoy your refreshed look.